Hi everyone, this is Millie. Welcome to my kitchen, and today is a very special day for all the Bengalis. Today is Poila Boishakh or Bengali New Year. Today I am starting with preparing a special traditional Bengali breakfast recipe, triangle paratha and plain potato curry. It is a kind of layered paratha shaped as triangle. It goes well with plain potato curry, so let's start this preparation. For preparing triangle paratha, you will need 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour or Maida and 1.5 cup of whole wheat flour or Atta. I am using 50-50 Atta and Maida. So when you use Atta, parathas will become softer and it will be easier to digest as well. So in this bowl, I will add Maida, whole wheat flour or atta, little bit of salt, little bit of sugar, 2 tablespoons of white oil, mix everything well. Now gradually add lukewarm water in this mixture. Knead it well. My dough is now ready. It should be soft, so it will be easier to roll. Now I will make medium size balls, and the amount should be same as when you make roti or chapati. Now we are going to roll it. So for rolling you can use atta or white oil. Now we will fold it. There are 2 ways. For the first one I will use atta. Make it an even layer. Now fold it into half. Again fold it and it will form a pie shape. Now we will roll it into a triangle. This time instead of atta I am going to use oil and give it an even coating. Don't add too much oil. So this is okay. Now again fold the same way. I am not very good at rolling, but I think it is okay. Now we are ready to fry the parathas. I have the tawa heated on medium. Add the paratha. Now turn on the other side and cook it little bit. Now spread white oil from the side of the paratha. Wow, look at this. Again add little bit of white oil from the sides. Never use oil directly on the parathas. Always use from the side. Okay, so it's now done. I will take it out. So let's do the comparison, which one came out well. And for this one I use atta for folding. As you can see, there are 3 layers, but it stick with each other. And for this one I used oil for folding, and as you can see there are 3 separate distinct layers. 1, 2 and 3. You can enjoy triangle paratha with plain potato curry. It took me about 20 minutes to prepare this recipe and serves 2 to 3 people. Click on the link above to see the plain potato curry recipe. Leave me your comments and do subscribe for latest recipe update. Thanks for joining me. Have a lovely day.